Welcome to Create an Organizational Change Management Plan, part of our Best Practices series. In this video, you'll learn what Organizational Change Management, or OCM, is and why it's worth investing in. You'll learn the best practice steps for creating an OCM plan for ServiceNow, and you'll leave this video armed with a list of actions you should take to get started. Let's start by defining OCM. OCM is about managing the people side of change. It's the attitude of individuals towards a change, their behavior as a result of the change, and the team culture resulting from the individual's attitudes and behaviors. These are hard to influence but play a critical role in the success and adoption of changes. OCM provides you the processes, tools, and techniques you need to manage this people side of change. So, why should you invest in OCM? OCM is critical for driving adoption. With OCM, people understand the benefits of change and are prepared for it. OCM also helps to build the team's proficiency and continuous improvement appetite by identifying and addressing training needs, soliciting feedback, and so on. Research has shown that effective OCM helps to improve ROI and accelerate transformation by building organizational support and inspiring collaboration. Let's talk about how to approach OCM. There are 5 key steps to create and execute an OCM plan. First, take time to prepare. Next, research the context of your change. With this foundation in place, you can then build out your OCM plan. Then, execute on your plan to make sure your implementation goes well. And finally, continuously improve how you manage organizational change going forward. In this video, we are going to cover the first 3 steps. See our Customer Success Center resources for details on all 5 steps. Let's dig in. The first step is to prepare to manage change. Here, you define the who and the what for OCM. Recognize that OCM requires special expertise and skill. So, identify the right people to build a standing team that performs OCM activities. An effective OCM team will need expertise in communications and enablement, while building a network of champions and working with technical implementation teams. Next, you need strong leadership support to build this broad expertise and ensure that OCM is not overlooked nor put on the back burner. Lastly, articulate what success looks like and how team members will work together to achieve it. With the right team and support, you can start getting into the specifics of OCM. Step 2 focuses on learning everything you need to know about your business. You must build a strong understanding of the people and organizational dynamics involved in your organizational change. First, identify and learn about the different stakeholders that are involved or will be impacted by the change. Second, figure out how ready or resistant your stakeholders are to the proposed change. This will inform how you tailor your plan. And finally, analyze the risks that the change might bring and how they should be addressed. An added benefit of this step is that it connects you with the people you need to help navigate change. You not only identify what you need to do to manage change, but you also build stakeholder buy-in early on. Step 3 is where the rubber meets the road. It's where you use what you learn through your research and document a plan that helps your organization adapt to a new way of working. Your change plan needs to clearly identify what is changing, for whom, and when. It also needs to articulate what stakeholders need to do to prepare for the change, like completing training. There is no silver bullet when it comes to creating an OCM plan. Your approach must be built with your own organizational context and culture in mind. So, develop a communication plan tailored to your stakeholders' needs to ensure they are aware of and committed to the change. It takes time and effort to do this well, so make sure you start early, well ahead of when the change will be implemented. There are 3 key insights we want you to remember from this video. First, OCM is a critical component of every implementation. You should not skip it, even if budgets and timelines are tight. Second, OCM is more than a communication plan. It's a process, and we recommend starting with the 3 steps we discussed. And third, OCM activities must be done in context of your organization and stakeholder needs. There is no one-size-fits-all for OCM. So, what should you do next? First, take time to review the resources we have on the Customer Success Center. These materials will provide details and insights from experts on how to build an effective OCM plan. Second, review your existing OCM practices. Compare them with the best practices in our resources to identify where you can improve. Finally, take what you've learned and have a discussion with your executive sponsor. Work with your sponsor to start preparing for OCM. Remember, ServiceNow can deliver enterprise transformation, but not without the right OCM planning in place. For more information or advice, contact your ServiceNow team. Thank you for watching.